Science, Unit 5, DCA. Number 1. Which process explains the formation of fossil fuels? A. Sliding plates, low heat, intense wind. B. Moving water, extreme cold, intense pressure. C. Weathered rock, decaying matter, moving ice. D. Decaying matter, intense pressure, extreme heat. Two. This photograph shows plants growing on the surface of a pond. How do plants like these form fossil fuels? A. The dead plant sinks to the bottom of the pond and get buried by sediment for millions of years. B. The dead plants get buried for millions of years and form fossil fuels that attract carbon. C. The dead plants sink to the bottom of the pond and are consumed by decomposers. D. The dead plants produce carbon that is consumed by fish, which form fossils. Three. Which of the following is a process that creates the particles of sediment that form sedimentary rock? A. The decomposition of plant and animal remains. B. The evaporation of water from the Earth's surface. C. The weathering of rock by wind, water, and ice. D. The collection of heat energy beneath Earth's surface. A river delta is an area where sediments are deposited. Mountain range, river delta, coastline, ocean floor, valley, desert. The sediments in the river delta, shown in the diagram above, were mostly likely carried from the mountain range by A. Wind, B. People, C. Water, D. Ice. The sediments in the river delta shown in the diagram above were most likely carried from the mountain range by, here's the river delta. Where did the sediments come from? Five. Which of the following land formations were most likely formed from particles of sediment that have been deposited in a new location by wind or water? A. Sand dunes and deltas. B. Canyons and glaciers. C. Glaciers and deltas. D. Sand dunes and canyons. Six. The picture below shows sedimentary rock. The striations in the rock were formed by A. Years of compressed mineral deposits. B. A rapid rise in the water level. C. Fast erosion from wind. D. Layers of magma that cooled on top of each other. Seven. Erosion is one of the processes involved in the formation of sedimentary rock. Which of these best describes the process of erosion? A. Rocks are broken into smaller pieces that remain in the same location. B. Pressure compacts layers of sediment and turns them into rock. C. Pieces of rock or soil are carried from one place to another. D. Sediment grains fall to the bottom of a lake to form sedimentary layers. Eight. Scientists constructed the model below by piling sand at one end of a stream table. They took turns blowing through a straw every day for 1 week. Sand table, pile of sand, what does this model best represent? A. The formation of mountains by erosion. B. The formation of valleys by weathering. C. The formation of sand dunes by deposition. D. The formation of canyons by erosion. Nine. The photograph below shows a canyon in North Arizona. Canyon walls. Which of these describes how this canyon was most likely formed? A. Floods eroded the sandstone away from the canyon walls. B. Glaciers eroded the canyon rock as they melted and moved. C. Ice wedged into cracks in the rock and weathered the canyon walls. D. Wind blew large rocks that smashed against the canyon walls. Number 10. A wide U-shaped valley is shown in the photograph below. This valley was most likely formed by A. Flash flooding, B. A glacier, C. A hurricane, or D. Melting snow.